Welcome to Webstylers. How to add music on Canva videos. First, let's take a video. To do that, I'll click Create and select Video. This is our canvas for the video. Let's select this video and drag and drop this video on the canvas. Now we have got our video without audio. This is how a video looks like. To add music to this video, click Apps on the left side. Scroll down. Select Audio. Canva provides many soundtracks and music that you can add to your videos. You can listen to the music, select the music that you like, drag and drop below the video to attach the audio to that video. For example, we can listen to this track. And if we like it, we can drag and drop it below the video. Just like that. Right? And we can right click it, adjust its volume, apply effects, split audio, delete track, and manage audio from these options. If you want to add your own music to the video, delete the track, click Uploads, upload audio file. This track was already uploaded by me, so drag and drop this track below the video. It will be attached to the video. Right? And after you are done, you can click Share button, click Download, select MP4 video from File type, and click Download button to download this file, this video, including audio, and save it in your PC. So this way you can add music on Canva videos from Canva audio library, or you can attach your own music to the videos. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.